Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is Dhaba style Palak chicken. Let's get started with the recipe. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats, add finely chopped onion. Add 4 to 5 garlic cloves and a piece of ginger. Stir it, add 5 to 6 cashews and 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Stir it and cook till the onion turns soft. Once the onion turns soft, turn off the flame and grind it into fine paste. Now in a same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, add whole spices and add finely grounded onion paste. Stir it and cook till the raw smell goes. Cook it in low to medium flame. Once the raw smell goes, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, salt as required and stir it. Once the oil starts separating, add chicken pieces. I am adding 250 grams of chicken pieces marinated for 1 hour. Stir it and coat the masala well. Add little amount of water and 2 tablespoons of curd. Stir it again and cook till the chicken turns soft and tender. Once the chicken is 70% cooked, add finely chopped palak. Take 1 bunch of palak, rinse it nicely with clean water and add it into cooked chicken. Give a stir and cook it for another 5 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of Garam masala and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the chicken and palak leaves are perfectly cooked. Finally you can add kasuri methi. This is optional, I am not adding. So the delicious palak chicken is ready to serve. Goes well with roti, chapati and puri. So friends, try out this recipe. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.